Dear viewer, Assalamu Alaikum. I am Engineer Muhammad Rezaul Haq. Welcome to my Automation Tools YouTube channel. Aske, today I will discuss about the health checking procedure. That means the hardware checking procedure of Honeywell DCS system. That means we can understand that which is controller is running or which is controller is faulty or not. It is two way. It's only by using C tools and configuration studio. By using C tools, we can go to the my computer, then C drive, then we go to the Honeywell system, then program files 86, then we go to the Honeywell, then we go to the, you see, two ways the C tools. I am by first I am using go to Experience PQS. First I am using C tools. So then Honeywell Experience PQS, go to engineering tools, then go to the system, open the system folder, then we go to the firmware, and then go to the C tools. Double click on C tools, then we can see the hardware condition. That means it is faulty or have any problem and not. You can see this one. You see, double click and it is connected to the controller and it's showing the all the value that are connected in this server. You see, here you can see that's the had the 6 controller using it is two controller is saying. First in two controller using that's controller C301 and controller 1 secondary. Two controller is showing, and in that case beyond this two controller, the IO-Link 1 and IO-Link 2, all the input output cards are showing that's okay, and they're showing the boot version and the application version, all are showing is here. If any of the faulty card or faulty controller is available, then it show this fault, or it does not show this okay. State is showing this okay, and application version and available is showing. If the any of the controller of the any of the card have been problem, then it can be, show it is not okay, and they cannot you see the boot version and application version. That means in the by two way we can check the health of this hardware of this Honeywell DCS system. One is the by using C tools. That means it's one of the engineering tools, and another is the configure studio module. First I am showing you that the how can we check the health of this hardware by using C tools. CDC firmware load tools, another name is CDC firmware load tools. So you are seeing in this our system is have the 6 controller is using. That means controller C301, C302 and C303, and both have the redundant condition. And you see all the hardware, that means the IO card, all IO-Link, all C300 controller, all are showing is a healthy condition. All the state says okay, and IO-Link showing in the online. That means you see one card is showing soft fail. You see here you also can see the soft fail. That means this card is able, this card have a soft fail alarm. That means one of the point have any problem for this soft fail also. By using these C tools, you can easily understand. That the which transmitter has in 100% okay and which transmitter having some problem. You can easily understand from this one. You see here some controller all are showing okay, but some of the IO card is showing soft fail. That means that alarm, the soft fail alarm is available in this card, and another all of those showing okay, but some are showing is a backup. And which controller is backup and which controller is running, you can easily understand by using this tool. So this tool say now we are seeing that what the problem is happening in this card. So we go to the station, and in the station we can find out the which card and which IO-Link have failed. You can easily understand from this. So go to the station, then you go to the system. So lower resource system, then here you can see the alarm, system alarms, that using that C1 the card number is showing is here. In this they have the some problem or soft fail alarm. It is showing that. Now I am double clicking on C300 to link C3 link. I am double click is here, and you see redundant card, and redundant card is showing that so one is okay and the B is showing the soft fail. So go to the configure. In configure mode you can understand which channel have the soft fail alarm. Configure, and then go to the channel soft fail, click on software, you can see the channel failure partner A is none, but partner B is showing that channel 4 is failure. You see, channel 4 is showing fault alarm. Now we go to the status data, then you can understand why it is showing the fault alarm. See, it is active, but it is value is -5 range, so it is showing the software alarm. It is not an actually alarm, it is no problem. So now so we can change by using configuration studio. So we go to the configuration studio and try to connect the software. You see, does not find the experience no target found. It is the main one of the important error, that if you showing this error, then it is problem that it is the primary or secondary one. You have to be I am the two server, redundant server. So go to the station and go to the system hardware and go to the redundant server, and in redundant server you can see which server is primary and which server is secondary. You see, go to that. I am using the primary server is server B, but I am using the this is configuration studio server A, so it is not connected. So I have to be, all things we have to be done from the server B. So I am go to server B and try to connect the server. You see, select and press OK, connect that. Now it is saying are doing my work in the server B. Before I am showing it is before turbine A, sorry, server A. Now I go to the control strategy. You know, that means before I say it is, I can using two way we can tell the health of this controller. That means one is C tools and another is the by configuration studio. You see, I have come to the configuration. You see, it is showing the red color. That means I have also tried to open two server at a time, so it is showing red color. I am close this one and now it is showing is a healthy. Okay, that means now you see all the controller is showing is okay. Now if press one expand, then you can see, click on IO link, then you can see all the condition of this IO card, that is healthy or not. You see, all is link 1 is showing, link 2 is also showing. That means under the controller C301 all the input output point and all the IO link are showing in the OK mode. If any of the IO link have fail, or if any of the IO link have the any problem, then it will be showing that in a stop mode. That means you got the red color. You see, some of the you see all is showing this OK mode. You see, that's been the all the input output card of the controller C2 showing all is OK. And you see here the left side is also a warning, so I can try to see what's any problem or not. You see, it is nothing problem and nothing showing. That means no problem, no alarm is available. You see, that means in the two way, that means that by using the C engineering tools, C tools, and by using the configure studio, you can easily understand the which the hardware is in the online mode or have any problem or any fault. You can easily understand so dear friend, I try to show you how can we check the hardware condition of this Honeywell DCS system. If you think it is very helpful to you, please subscribe my channel if you already subscribe. So thank you. Also like, comment and share, that's the other people can learn it very easily. So no more today. Assalamu alaikum. Press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.